Hey everyone, Technoman here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your app icon smaller on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, if you notice, these apps are slightly bigger than the normal size. And if you want to reduce the size, all you're going to do is pick an app, doesn't matter, whatever app you pick, and you're going to simply press and hold until a menu pops up that gives you the ability to edit home screen. Again, any app will work, doesn't have to be what I'm picking. You just click on edit home screen, and then from there on you're going to click on edit. That will give you the option to go ahead and customize. And as you can see here, right now my app icons are large. If I wanted a smaller icon, I click on small toggle here and then click anywhere out, and as you can see here, the app size has decreased on my home screen. So that's how you can do it, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone, other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.